Natalie Lynch is a credentialed investigator and licensed attorney, not a vlogger.
What do you do if your interviewee doesn't understand what you're asking because they lack capacity or because you expect that they lack capacity? I guess first issue first, I am not a psychologist, psychiatrist. I am not a mental health provider, and I am not a medical provider. So I am not a person that can diagnose if somebody has capacity or not. And there are questions that you can go through and establish if somebody has capacity for certain sort of medical procedures or whatever, but those are generally not appropriate in the workplace. And so if somebody doesn't have capacity, it often will come up, and often the person that you're talking to will bring it up and say, I have a brain injury and this makes it hard for me, or I have this learning disability, and so I'm not following what you're asking me in this regard. Often they'll offer it up. But unless it is a thing that they have reported either to you or to the employer, you can't draw any conclusions based on your suspicion of their lack of capacity. That being said, if they lack capacity, get what you can from them. Did they see a thing? Did they not see a thing? They either did or they didn't, and that's just the investigative outcome. There's nothing you can do as the investigator to give somebody capacity that they don't have, and so you just write about it. And if the person does have documented reduction in capacity, you write about that too. Betty said she's legally blind, and she didn't see the accident, and so we don't think Betty saw the accident because she was credible and she lacks, visual capacity. And that's what it is.
Mom, you have to tell people to like and subscribe.